Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have for s to the power of 3 ds. Next, we divide both sides by number 4. This one we change for u. S to the power of 3 ds we change for this one. That's about du over 4. The integration of this one in here, we change for negative 1 over u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.